Okay, so Obert, he's got the pop.
Yeah, got pop here.
It's almost ready, eh?
Yeah, it's almost ready.
So
So I'm just waiting because it's nice when you enjoy it being warm and the tomato sheba or tomato relish, all of them to be nice and warm. So that's why I'm keep on turning it around so that my colleagues
on a very low heat, eh?
on a very low heat so that it's nice and well cooked.
And then Helen's got the sheba that you're going to put over the pop.
Over the pot, yeah, that's it. That's it.
That's the traditional way of eating the pop, eh?
The pot, yeah.
With the sheba or the tomato relish.
Yeah. That's
Okay, so Helen is just sauteing off the onion. Must there be color for the onion?
Yeah.
A little bit, eh?
Yeah.
right. When you pass me the list, please. And then I'll leave it here in a low heat, and it's going to be nice and well cooked.
Thank you, Obert. So Obert, the pop is now ready. It's been how long? 10, 15 minutes?
10, 15 minutes, yeah. It was like 15 minutes. So it's nice and cooked now, you can see. So
Nice and steaming.
Nice and steaming now, so
Like,
just
ni-
like this up just to be ready to be eaten.
and it's also nice and stiff, eh?
Yeah, nice and stuff, you can see. Look at this.
Nice.
Wonderful.
So you can mold it any way you want to.
Yes. Alright, so come on. Can I do my
Good.
this? That's the way we do something. So it's enough for one person, that one?
So this is enough for one person.
Yeah, that is enough for one person.
Okay.
So the space on the side is for sheba.
For the sheba.
Yeah, you put the sheba on
And
the
if
side.
you do have, you can put some vegetables and some meat on the side.
Exactly.
Very
Also
nice.
that, and then you enjoy your meal.
Fantastic. Thank you, Obert.
You're welcome, sir. Beautiful.
Fantastic. Now we're just waiting for the sheba
For the
from
sheba
Helen.
to- Yeah, complete so that it will goes well with that pop.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
100%. Thank you so much.
So Helen, what are you making for us today?
I'm going to cook a gravy, which I'm going to use onion first, and second I put tomato and
I wonder what you call with your papa.
So you're gonna grate the tomato,
Yeah, tomato.
so it's nice and fine.
Yeah.
And this way you don't get the skin inside as well.
Yeah. I don't like the skin.
Yeah,
That's
the
inside.
skin is not good.
Yeah.
This is a very clever way of doing it. So how many tomatoes was that? 4 tomatoes,
Only 3 tomatoes.
3 tomatoes,
Yes.
1 onion,
1 onion, 1
and
green pepper.
1 green pepper,
Yes.
and then 1 packet of
1
soup.
packet of soup.
Okay,
And I'm going to add salt and also a little bit of sugar.
some chili,
Sugar
sugar.
Yes.
Sugar. What does the sugar do?
for the
Make-
taste.
For sweetness,
Yeah, for the taste.
to break the sourness from the tomato.
Yeah, this is. I'm telling you, bro.
Okay, so Helen is frying off the onions with a little bit of cooking oil. Okay, so you're going to put the green pepper inside and then fry it off a little bit longer.
Yeah.
So all the flavor comes out the green pepper.
Yes.
What you're adding now?
I'm adding a little bit of salt.
Just a little bit of salt, yeah?
Yes.
Helen, you just added the
I just
grated
add the tomato.
tomato that you grated.
Yes.
And then how long do you cook this for now?
I didn't count the minute when I start, but for 15 minutes.
15 minutes until it's
Yes.
nice and cooked through.
Yes.
Nice and saucy.
Yes.
Okay, so you're just adding a little bit of water
Yeah.
just so it gets
That's
time
it.
to cook.
Yes.
Okay, and then we leave it now to cook on a high heat
Yes.
for 5 minutes.
For 5 minutes.
Okay,
So
and then
now, I also want to make the
add your sugar now.
Yes. That's just good.
Okay, so that's about 1.5 to 2 teaspoons.
Yes.
So the sugar breaks the acidity of the tomato, that's why you
Yes.
add it. And it also adds a little bit of sweetness to it.
Yes.
Okay, so Helen's been cooking the sauce for about, from start to finish, 15 minutes. And then she's going to put it over the pup now.
It's fine.
Thank you, Helen.